What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and as the sale is coming on the Amazon Great Indian Festival and the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, the Galaxy S21 FE Snapdragon 888 version will be available for 30,000 rupees and the Google Pixel 7a will be available at the price of 32,000 rupees. Let's take a deep comparison between these smartphones. Which of these smartphones at the budget of around 32,000 to 30,000 rupees is better for you? But before getting into this video, to get extra 5% off on Flipkart over and above all the discounts and as a cashback, you can apply to the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card in the link in the description below. Now let's take a look first at the performance, as the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is going to come with the Snapdragon 888 and the Pixel 7a will be available for the toned down version of the Google Tensor G2. Now the toned down version of these Google Tensor G2 is going to be a much slower processor when compared to the Snapdragon 888. So the processor round goes to the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 888 2023 version. Apart from that, if we talk about the display, then the display of the Galaxy S21 FE is better than the Google Pixel 7a, as it is a bigger, brighter, and even it comes with a higher refresh rate. It's an AMOLED display with a 120Hz of high refresh rate when compared to 90Hz from the Pixel 7, and it is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus when compared to the Google's Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Both of these processors are 5 nanometers of fabrication, so it won't be give you any kind of an issue with the day-to-day usage. But if we talk about the other things, which is the camera. Now, if you are an enthusiast and you want all the three major cameras, which are the main wide-angle camera, ultra-wide camera, and the telephoto camera, then the Samsung S21 FE is a better option. But if you want a camera with more reliable shots and better picture quality, then the Google Pixel 7a is to go, as it comes with a 64 megapixel of a primary sensor and a 13 megapixel of an ultra-wide camera. Now the Google camera does miss on with the telephoto camera, but it's been compensated by a 64 megapixel primary camera, and you get a better shots with that. And Google image enhancing AI is better than any other smartphone in the market. But if we talk about the next thing comes about the smartphone is its battery capacity, then both of these smartphones come with a decently packed 4500 mAh battery on the S21 FE, and the Pixel 7a comes with 4385 mAh battery. Now overall, the Galaxy S21 FE is indeed a better battery life on paper, but it also comes with a larger display and a higher refresh rate as well. But the next thing, if we talk about these smartphones, again, is about its pricing. That the pricing of these smartphone is going to be the similar one, so you won't be getting any kind of a major difference in the pricing of the phone. But the Galaxy S21 FE and the Pixel 7a both will be available in the Flipkart, so you can get extra 5% by applying into the credit card in the link in the description below. Now overall, if you want a smartphone for daily day-to-day usage and you don't use your phone much for content support, then Galaxy S21 FE is a better option. But if you are someone who just use phone more for taking instant shots and pictures, then the Pixel 7a is the better option to go. Now both of these smartphones do comes with 3 years of major OS upgrade and also 5 or 4 years of security patch. The Galaxy S21 FE was launched at Android 12, so it will get a software update up to Android 15, and the Pixel 7a is launched with Android 13 out of the box, so it will be getting an update of up to Android 16. Now we all know that the Galaxy S21 FE and the Samsung and the Google both are the Android software leaders, and the customization which you get extras with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE are just crazy. You get a full-fledged Samsung Pay, you get a Samsung Tech support, IP68 water and dust resistance, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, and these flagship features are present in the budgeted price as well. Also, the charging speeds on the Galaxy S21 FE are faster than the Pixel 7a's 18 watt of fast charging. However, you need to buy the chargers separately for both of these smartphones. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like this video and if you're watching still so far, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.